In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quotation in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a little guidance, I'll walk you through each step of the process. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type Zoho into the search bar. This should bring up a list of results, and you're going to want to click on the first link you see, or the one that includes zoho.com in its URL. Once you've reached the Zoho homepage, you'll either need to log in with your existing account credentials or sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. Make sure to have your login details handy if you need them. After you've logged in, navigate your way to Zoho Books. You'll typically find this among the various Zoho applications available on the dashboard. Clicking this will direct you to the Zoho Books dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Now, look to the left-hand sidebar on your screen. You'll notice a section labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Quotes. What you're doing here is telling Zoho you're ready to create a quotation for a customer. When you're on the Quotes page, look to the top right corner. There, you should see a button labeled Plus New. Click this button to start drafting a fresh quote. It's a pretty intuitive setup, and this is where you'll input all the critical details for the quote you're creating. One of the first pieces of information you'll input is the customer name. You'll find a drop-down menu for this, which makes it convenient to select from your existing customer list. If you need to, you can also add a new customer right from this menu. The quote number, or quote hash, will automatically populate. But if you need to customize it for any reason, you have the flexibility to do so. Moving on, you'll see a section for the quote date. This is set by default to the current date, making it simple, but you're free to adjust it if necessary. Next, you'll want to set an expiry date for the quote. This is instrumental in ensuring both you and the customer are clear on how long the quotation will remain valid. The item table is where you'll detail the products or services included in this quote. You'll input the quantities and prices for each item. Additionally, there's an option for specifying a salesperson, which can be extremely useful in tracking who's generating what business. If you need to tie this quote to an existing project or even kick off a new one, you can do so by filling out the project name field. Once all this information is entered, you're ready for the final step. At the bottom of the page, you'll see options to either save as draft or save and send. If everything's ready to go and you want to dispatch it immediately, click Save and Send to have it whisked off to the customer via email. Otherwise, choose Save as Draft if you need to review or modify details later. And that's how you create a quotation in Zoho Books. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your business quotes efficiently. Thank you for watching.